Good morning, children. So, from today onwards, we are going to start our online classes. So, this is our fourth class EVS. I hope everyone are fine. Please follow all the guidelines which are given by our government and please be safe. Don't go out. If necessary, please take all precautions and then go out. Now, today we are going to deal with our EVS, fourth class EVS. So, our first lesson in EVS is, once you please go through these slides, yes. Changing family structure is our first lesson in EVS. Let us see what are the families we have studied in our previous class. Hope you have studied about different kinds of family. Let us remind once again, that is, the families are of different types. First one is joint family, second one is large family, third one is small family, or it is also called as nuclear family. Yes. Now, let us see what are the things and what are the different kinds of families there in changing the family structure. Generally, Indian families comprise of parents, grandparents, and children. Yes. Now, some families are called joint families. Some families are called joint families. So they comprises of uncles, aunts, and their children, besides parents, grandparents, and children. But nowadays, the structure of such families is changing. Yes, it is changing. Imagine the families of your grandparents. Imagine the families of your grandparents during their childhood. If you want, you can ask your grandparents how the families were there during their times. Yes, you can ask your grandparents. How are the present day families? How are the present day's family? Once you can check your own family. Yes. Do all the members in a family always stay together? Yes, once you check it. Do new members join the family? Think. And when, why do such changes takes place in a family? Yes, let us see this picture. Children, once see this picture. A new arrival into family. Yes, let us see here. One small girl is sitting on the bed. Yeah, Vandana's mother gave birth to a baby girl. Vandana is very happy. Now tell me, have you seen a new baby arrived into their family? Yeah, one small new baby entered into their family, and Vandana's family is very, very happy. Yes, you can see grandmom, that is grandparent, and you can see her father, you can see her mother, and newborn baby. So this also changed the family structure, isn't it? Earlier, only Vandana was there. Now, a new member added to their family. Yes. Now, and say, observe the picture and say who were the members of Vandana's family before the arrival of her baby sister. So before arrival of her baby sister, Who was there? Grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, and Vandana. Now, who is added? A newborn baby has came to Vandana's home. What changes might have occurred in their home after baby's birth? Oh, you know about that. Because whenever your younger brother or sister entered into your family, so what changes have you observed in your family? The same changes Vandana also experienced. Many changes occur when a new member joined the family. Discuss with your friends. Now it is lockdown period. You can't discuss with your friends. But no problem. You can discuss with your family members about their own experiences when they had their newborn baby in their home. Yes, children. Now, let us discuss with your grandparents or with your mother or father. Some changes do occur in the family with the birth of babies. Yes. New duties such as giving bath to the baby, cooking special food, feeding the baby, taking care of baby, carrying the baby often, comforting a crying baby, etc. have to done. Yes, have to be done. All the members have to help the mother in doing these things. These activities would not be there before baby's birth. Isn't it, children? Yeah. So new duties and new responsibilities that our parents should do, grandparents should do, and you should also help your parents during you have a new baby sister or brother in your home. Now, let us see what are the different changes also may occur and the family structure should be changed. Let us see. Marriage. Marriage changes in the family. Yes. Have you ever attended marriage? I hope everyone attended marriage. Say, what have you seen there? Now here one small example given, that is Rani's brother Srinivas is getting married. Yes, Rani's brother Srinivas is getting married. The house is decorated beautifully. Yeah, the house is decorated beautifully. Relatives have arrived. Everyone is happy and busy in the house. Yeah. After the marriage, the bride came. After the marriage, the bride came to Rani's house. Now tell me, new member is added, right? Yes. New member has joined Rani's family. Where did Rani's sister-in-law lived before marriage? You know that bride. Where she lived? Yeah, she lived in her own house. But now, where did she came? She came to groom's house. So, is there any change in her life? Yes, there will be a change in her life. Where will she reside after marriage? Where will she reside? Yes, she resides in Rani's family, that is Rani's brother family. Discuss the following questions with your parents or with your sister or brother. Okay? Now, see what changes might have occurred in the bride's family because of the marriage. Once you think, yeah, bride is leaving her own family. That is, one member is going to join in another family. Now, what changes might have occurred in Rani's family after the marriage? Yeah, Rani's family. What changes occurred? Yes, that is new member added to their family, and they are all lived happily in their family. What changes might occur in Rani's family in future? So what happens? Bride and bridegroom may occasionally meet their family, isn't it? Yes. If grandparents live with the family, it makes everyone happy. Why? Because they take care of the family. They helps to improve the moral values in the children, and they may also give you more knowledge what they have experienced in their past. Now let us see some more changes. In a family, when someone gets married or a baby is born, members will increase. So members are increasing, right? Yes. Similarly, when someone has to leave the family for a job or for any other reason like death, members will decrease. So first we have seen that adding of members by marriage or by newborn baby. Now, if any one of a family member leaves for the purpose of job or due to the death, what happens? Members will decrease. This means changes occur in a family when a member either joins or leaves. I once again repeat this. This means changes occur in a family when a member either joins or leaves. Let us see some more reasons how the family structure will change. Moving to new place. Moving to new place. Aditya's family lives in Medak. Where they are living? They are living in Medak. Aditya's father received a letter from his office. So where Aditya is living? He lives in Medak. Aditya's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was transferred to Nizamabad on promotion. So from Medak to Nizamabad. Now Aditya lives in a joint family. Where Aditya is living actually? In a joint family. Means the family was big. So where his sister, parents, grandparents, uncle means Chinnana, aunt, that is Chinnamma, and cousins live together. So now see this joint family. But now what happened? Aditya's father got promotion. Now he should leave the city, that Medak city, and he should go to Nizamabad. Now, have you noticed any changes over there? Yeah, they are leaving from Medak to Nizamabad. Now they are getting separated from joint family. They are getting separate from joint family due to job. Due to job. Now the members are also decreasing in the family. This also makes the changes in the structure of their family. Now, when Aditya's father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the family members would have felt? First, they might be happy for the promotion, but slowly what happens? They are losing their family members for the purpose of job. They may feel somewhat sad because the members are going to decrease in their family. But ultimately they would be happy for the promotion of Aditya's father. Now let us see the picture here. So they got the letter. Now Aditya's father is telling about the letter to his father. Aditya's family vacated the house and left for the new town. Yes, from Medak to Nizamabad, they left their town. Similarly, Aditya's friend Ramesh, yes, Aditya's friend Ramesh's father also got promoted and transferred to Siddipet. So Aditya's father transferred to Nizamabad and Aditya's friend Ramesh's father transferred to Siddipet. So both are different towns, isn't it? Yes. Siddipet is somewhat near to Medak. Now, he did not take his family. Yes, he didn't take his family to the new town, but he shuttled. Shuttled means he is traveling from one city to the other city, that is from Medak to Siddipet, but he did not vacated the house, isn't it? But Aditya's family vacated to Nizamabad, isn't it, children? Yes. Now let us see. Discuss with your friends or you discuss with your brother or sister and you just note down the changes might come in the family of employees. Let us see the Aditya's family and let us see the Ramesh family. Children, once again carefully you observe this table. Yes. Now I will ask some questions. Try to answer it yourself and slowly I will also tell the answers. Where did they reside before promotion? Aditya's family. Let us see Aditya's family. Where did they reside before promotion? Where did they reside? Yes, they resided in Medak. Now let us see Ramesh family. Where did they reside before promotion? Yes, they were also resided in Medak. Where is the family after promotion? Aditya's family. Let us see about Aditya's family. Where is the family after promotion? Yes, they vacated to Nizamabad. They transferred to Nizamabad. They completely shifted their family to Nizamabad. Where is the family after promotion? They were still residing in Medak. Who's Ramesh family? So Ramesh family are residing in Medak only because Ramesh's father is shuttled. He is shuttled, that is traveling from Medak to Siddipet and Siddipet to Medak. What changes might have occurred in Aditya's family? What changes might have occurred in Aditya's family after shifting? Yes. First, they were living in a joint family, but now they get separated from joint family and they shifted to Nizamabad. Now let us see Ramesh's family. What changes might have occurred in Ramesh's family after his father started shuttling? What happened, children? Father is always shuttling from Medak to Siddipet and Siddipet to Medak. Every day he was traveling between two cities. Yes. Now, will there be any change in the work duties done by Aditya?
Will there be any changes in the work done by Aditya? No changes. He should help their parents, he should study, he should go to school. There will be no change. Whatever the work they are doing at home in Medak, same thing he have to do in their new home, that is in Nizamabad. But some changes may occur. That is, they were living in joint family previous, but now they became nuclear family. Only Aditya, Aditya's mother, Aditya's father, and Aditya, three members are living in Nizamabad. Now their grandparents, aunt, uncle were in Medak. Now let us see Ramesh family. Will there be changes in the work of Ramesh also? See here, Ramesh's father is always traveling from one city to other city. So he may not do the works which he have to do at home. But now Ramesh also had some more responsibilities to take care of his family. He is living with his mother, but father is always shuffling from one place to the other place. So he should have more responsibilities than the previous times before the promotion, isn't it? So children, you should also have some responsibilities. You should take care of the family. You should share the responsibilities with your family members. Whenever you got promotions, you are shuffling to new places, you should help your parents. You should also have some responsibilities so that your family will be a happy family. See children, have you ever seen any students joined in your class or school? So whenever you attend the school, talk to them and know whether any changes have taken place in their families and the kind of work they did. Share the information with your friends. Okay? I hope few children have experienced this. Few children have experienced some changes in their family after shuffling from one place to the another place due to job purpose or any promotions. So where did he or she came from? Where did he or she came from? How was his or her old school? So there will be different memories in different school, isn't it children? You have different friends. You have different kinds of friends in your old school and in your new school. Starting when you are new to the school, you will be having some shy feeling or some fear in your mind. But later on, all the children will become your friends. So some changes will occur. You should be ready for that. What new things did he or she observe here? Let us all discuss this with your friends or family members, with your brother or sister. Yes. Now, let us move on to the different things. Still, what changes occurs in the families? Let us see. Families do not remain the same always, isn't it? Yes. Sometimes joint families may become nuclear families because of job purpose or else a new members adding to their families. Let us see. Changes occur in the families due to various reasons. Yes, various reasons. You have seen that changes occur in the families due to marriages, birth, employment at new places, transfer to other towns, and so on. Changes occurs not only because of these reasons but also due to business, studies, migration from employment, occurrence of earthquakes, floods, death of a member, etc. Besides these, when we compare the present time with the past, we find that many changes have taken place in the families. How do we know about these details? Yes. See children, let us do this session in the next class. First of all, once again let us recall. Let us recall the topic right from the first. So first what we have studied? So there will be some changes in the family. There will be the changes in the family due to, yes, due to newborn in your house.
Due to newborn in your house. And in the same way, when the marriages happen. Next, what happens? Whenever you get the, yes, whenever you get transferred from one place to the another place. So some changes occurs. So next class we will learn about, in the next class we will learn about other reasons how the families will get separated due to job or marriages and different things. Let us learn in the next class, children.